just a little bit different this week. This has been a absolute mad rush getting this video ready. I normally upload my video after spending 4 or 5 days leisurely editing it. Upload it on a Tuesday so it's ready to go live Friday at 5 PM. Right at the last minute, I don't know what made me check, just thought I'd check it's uploaded okay. It had uploaded, but it uploaded a corrupted file. Now when I exported the video that I'd edited over 4 or 5 days from my editing software with my wavy hand, it somehow corrupted the file. I didn't know. I've uploaded a corrupted file. My original video, all my work gone to...
In other words,
yeah,
he's absolutely devastated.
I'm waffling on. So
sorry.
I've bunged this one together really quick. I'm beating myself up, not my normal standard, so I do apologise.
Yeah, we do. We are really, really sorry, but we can't do it all again. It just
so I've put this together really quick, so you still get your Friday 5 o'clock crackerjack video. So hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you right at the end.
Yeah.
Where have we just left?
We've just left the top of the Monty flight there.
Frankton Junction.
Yeah.
And we're now planning to head to Chirk. Whether we'll get there today, I don't know. We've got enough essentials, and we've got some food as well to last us till we get to Chirk. And I think there's a spa shop there, so we can just stock up. And if we see somewhere nice, we'll just moor up as we do.
Alfie spotted the sheep, or should I say the sheep have spotted Alfie.
Sure if this is the, don't point your finger, official border, but you've got a welcome to Wales sign there, so we're now going to hop into Wales.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
So now going to go over the line, 1, 2, 3, we're in Wales.
There you go.
Yaki da. Whatever that means.
Oh dear.
It's been a wet, drizzly day, and Deb's hair's gone all frizzy.
I apologise.
We've got the sign behind us, so we've just got to jump. Ready? 1, 2. And we're now back in England. That was quick. And I told you we didn't need our passports. Apparently, the early bird catches the worm. Had 2 days of rain, so we've been pinned here at Chirk Bank. And we're now going to do the Chirk Aqueduct.
And tunnel.
Chirk Tunnel. And then the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct.
I think that's how you call it.
Yeah. Yeah, we could have done it yesterday, but it was rain, it was drizzling all day, grey. We wouldn't have been able to get any video footage. So, fingers crossed.
Looks like it's going to be a nice day.
As you can see all along here, that's nose to tail, very narrow. Even going around the bend.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit tight.
Well, that's one aqueduct done. Now going to go through the Chirk tunnel.
Yeah.
And this is a one-way tunnel, so until you actually get in there, you can't see whether anything is coming.
Fingers crossed.
Big blast of the horn. And I can see the opening at the end. This is not a very long one. I was hoping it was going to say on the sign how long it was.
It doesn't.
No, but it doesn't.
We'll let you know.
Well, I'm glad to be coming out of that tunnel. I don't know whether it was something I was doing wrong, but it's only a narrow tunnel, but I just seemed to be sucked against the wall all the time, that side. I spent the whole time aiming that away and pinned that away. It was very shallow, hardly making any headway whatsoever.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen.
Got there behind me the old lime kilns. I'm sure that would have smelt a little bit different 200 years ago when they were burning away.
And I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up,
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous views. Behind me there's, I don't know whether this will pick it up, there's another viaduct, railway viaduct. I don't know if you can see it.
Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen, wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
Well, we've just gone through Bridge 41 and we're on the first section of what they call the Narrows.
Yeah.
So you stop at that bridge, you check 300 metres ahead to make sure there's nothing coming, because there's only width for one boat here. and then I'm assuming sort of around about every 300 metres there's a passing space, which they on the sign said are marked with white posts. I can see a white post just up ahead. And look at that for timing. There's a boat, hire boat ahead, and we're actually right adjacent the passing place. Yeah, so there's the passing place, hire boat pulled in to let us pass. Apparently they've just come from Llangollen and it's very quiet down there. Right, so I've walked ahead through the Narrows, got to this other end where the sign is, just to check nobody is coming down here. So I've now phoned Debbie and she's going to make her way through. Yeah, so got to the end, only people there was a couple of canoeists then going to come down. So just told them to wait because I didn't want to squish them. And Debbie's now bringing it through all by herself. And you can see why they call it the Narrows and why you have to send somebody ahead. Well, it's the last bit of the Narrows before we go into the Marina Basin. It's very shallow, I'm hardly making any headway, but we'll get there eventually. And the scenery, it's unbelievable. It's like being on holiday. So I don't know what that was like for you guys. If you did enjoy it,
Yeah. Give us a thumbs up, please.
if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. If you are already subscribed, please don't unsubscribe. And leave some comments.
Yeah,
what I could have done wrong. I use iMovie on a Mac.
Yeah.
Done what I've done for the last 18 months, so I don't know what actually went on there, but I shall look into it and investigate.
And don't forget to do the bell icon.
Oh, the bell icon, yeah,
Yes.
forgot the bell icon. Yeah, anything
Yeah.
else, and if we forgot anything,
Yeah.
leave it in the comments below.
We love you all. Bye.